In the heart of India, a remarkable celebration unfolds. The Manak Mahotsav, a 20-day festival of quality and excellence, sweeps across the nation's cities. Orchestrated by the Bureau of Indian Standards, Noida Branch Office, this grand initiative brings together minds and spirits through Quality Connect, spirited marathons and stakeholders gatherings. Each event carries a singular purpose: to make quality an essential part of India's identity. As cities pulse with activity, thousands unite under one vision, building momentum towards the grand finale on World Standards Day, October 14, 2024. This is more than a festival. It's India's testament to a future built on excellence. In the autumn of 2024, a visionary campaign swept across Uttar Pradesh, transforming 5 major cities into epicenters of innovation. The Bureau of Indian Standards Noida Branch Office orchestrated this grand initiative, rallying around a powerful theme: industry, innovation and infrastructure through the use of AI. This wasn't merely a celebration. It was India's strategic leap into an AI-empowered future of standardization. Our odyssey commenced in the shadow of the Taj Mahal, Agra, where BIS Noida hosted over 200 pioneers of progress. The program was organized under the guidance of Dr. R.K. Tyagi. The event witnessed the convergence of distinguished dignitaries: Professor S.P. Singh Baghel, Minister of State for Fisheries and Panchayati Raj, who emphasized the role of standards in rural development.
आपको अपने मानक बदलने पड़ेंगे खाद्य में। मेरे घर की भैंस बिनौला खाती थी तो चाहे 100 बार सैंपल भर जाता, पास होके आएगा। लेकिन अब कीटनाशक से भरपूर और यूरिया और डीएपी से भरपूर बरसीम को भैंस खाएगी तो यूरिया आना ही आना है दूध में।
And Shri Dharamveer Prajapati, the State Minister for Home Guard and Civil Defence, who emphasized the role BIS is playing in spreading awareness about important initiatives.
क्या कार्यक्रम कर सकते हैं जिससे ग्रामीण अंचल के लोगों को इसकी जानकारी हो? ये हम ऐसे कार्यक्रमों का आयोजन करें। छोटे छोटे मार्केट लगते हैं, पैंठें लगती हैं, हाट लगती हैं, बाजार लगते हैं, वहाँ हम कुछ ऐसी व्यवस्था कर सकते हैं क्या? इसमें हमें जरूर ध्यान देना चाहिए। ये मेरा सुझाव है।
Industry leaders from Agra's leather, marble, tire and tourism sectors shared compelling insights about AI integration in traditional industries. MSME Deputy Director B.K. Yadav presented how small enterprises are embracing AI for quality control, while Shri Ambar Prasad from National Chamber of Industry and Commerce outlined the future of AI-driven manufacturing excellence. The day came alive with cultural performances and Nukkad Natak, making complex standards accessible to all. In the spiritual heart of Mathura, at Nidhivan Sarovar Portico, beloved actress MP Srimati Hema Malini led a powerful dialogue on consumer awareness.
मुझे बहुत ही खुशी है कि लोगों में अवेयरनेस आएगी और ये हर जगह लोगों को मालूम पड़ना चाहिए। लाइक अभी उन्होंने बताया हेलमेट कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है। अगर फेक वाला पहन के जाएगा, कुछ एक्सीडेंट हुआ तो इट इज़ सो डेंजरस। सो अगर ये ISI तो आप लोग इसका जांच कराते हैं एंड देन उनका एक मार्क रहता है, तो वही चीज़ खरीदें हर चीज़ों में।
The city's diverse industrial landscape, from its massive oil refineries to intricate Thakurji Poshak craftwork, showcased how traditional skills and modern technology could harmonize through standardization. Presentation on BISS's AI initiatives sparked intense discussion about active collision between tradition and technology. Local industry experts from chemical, bitumen and marble handicraft sectors shared their AI implementation success stories, painting a picture of Mathura's evolution into a smart manufacturing hub. Nukkad Natak performance was appreciated by MP Srimati Hema Malini.
मैं पहले अभी जो नुक्कड़ कार्यक्रम किया उनको बहुत बहुत बधाई देती हूँ। बहुत ही अच्छा आप लोगों ने इस विषय को एक नुक्कड़, ये जो डांस आई मीन इट्स लाइक नाटक द्वारा आपने इस बात को बताया, लोगों को अवेयरनेस लेकर आया, which is very interesting. I really loved it.
Along with cultural performance, The movement gained momentum at Hotel Green India, Bulandshahr, where MLA Shri Lakshmi Raj Singh and Project Director, Rural Development Authority, Shri Anil Kumar Singh, galvanized 150 stakeholders.
भारतीय मानक ब्यूरो के द्वारा जो कार्यक्रम यहाँ किया गया है, मेरा आप सबसे यही आग्रह, क्योंकि आप अपने क्षेत्र के सब योग्यता रखने वाले लोग हैं, वो चाहे स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल हों, चाहे संस्था के लोग हों, चाहे इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट हों या पत्रकार बंधु हों, सब अपने क्षेत्र की दक्षता रखने वाले लोग हैं।
Local entrepreneurs and industrial experts showcased AI applications in agricultural technology and food processing. The focus intensified on how the BIS Care app, enhanced with AI capabilities, audience enjoyed the Kathak performance and Nukkad Natak presented in the conclave. On the early morning of October 13, BIS Noida organized a quality run marathon. Noida Stadium pulsated with energy as DDGC and DSP Dr. Lakshmi Singh Chauhan flagged off an extraordinary 5-kilometer marathon. Over 700 participants, from enthusiastic children to seasoned veterans, ran for quality consciousness.
I am young man of 80 from Haryana. I am Bhool Singh number.
Tech industry leaders joined the run, symbolizing the race towards AI-driven excellence.
हेलो, माय नेम इज़ वंशिका शर्मा और ये जो मैराथन थी ये मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी। फैसिलिटीज़, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सब बेस्ट था।
My name is Jyoti and this was my first official marathon in Noida. I would like to thank BIS team for organizing such a wonderful marathon. Everything was so good. They provided us medals, certificates, t-shirts, cap and even refreshment. The quality was so great that I think we are moving ahead towards standards. Thank you so much and keep supporting and keep motivating everybody.
Each medal and certificate distributed became a testament to the city's commitment to progress. World Standards Day, the grand finale, October 14. The culmination at the Gors Sarovar, Greater Noida, was a masterful orchestra of innovation and tradition. MLC Shri Srichand Sharma, classical dance legend Padma Shri recipient Bharati Shivaji, and Miss World Tourism Ishika Taneja led a momentous quality pledge.
आई थिंक BIS एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करता है बिकॉज जब मैं कंज्यूमर के पर्सपेक्टिव से देखती हूँ तो मुझे बहुत बड़े बड़े ब्रांड्स दिखाई देते हैं जो बहुत कुछ क्लेम करते हैं, लेकिन जैसे ही एक मैं ISI का मार्क देखती हूँ या फिर एक BIS का एक स्टैम्प देखती हूँ तो मुझे ये पता है कि मैं जो भी ले रही हूँ वो डेफिनेटली क्वालिटी में तो सर्वोत्तम है ही है और मेरी फैमिली के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा सेफ है।
Manish Kumar Verma, IAS, DM of Gautam Budh Nagar, emphasized administrative commitment to AI-driven governance.
इसके बाद डेवलपिंग कंट्री बने। अब हमारा विजन है कि 2047 में हम एक डेवलप्ड स्टेट नेशन बने।
The Technology Summit reached its peak as industry titans shared their vision. Shri Amit Pradhan from Dixon Technology unveiled AI's role in electronics manufacturing, while Shri Parag Prasad of Smart Grid Innovation demonstrated AI application in power distribution. Dr. Piyush Sharma from JP Institute provided academic insights into AI's standardization potential. Students from Ryan International School performed the traditional Kalbelia dance, while Nukkad Natak artists creatively portrayed the alliance of AI and standardization. Noida branch also conducted various programs such as Quality Connect program in colleges and industries and Manak Sabha at Gram Panchayat level in various districts under its jurisdiction. The emphasis remained steadfast on Prime Minister Modi's vocal for local vision, now supercharged with AI capabilities. Through every presentation, every performance and every pledge, one message resonated clearly. India isn't just preparing for an AI-powered future, it's actively creating it.